Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server on mobile. It's quick and easy and it works on iPhone and on Android as well, so let's begin. First, open up your Discord application, and once you appear right here on that screen, you need to swipe from left to the right to open up that menu, and here select your server that you want to delete. Like that, you can switch between your servers, and once you selected one of the server, just tap here on that three dots icon, and there in that window tap here on settings. Next, on that screen, select Overview, and there scroll down until you find Delete Server option. Tap on that, and there you should confirm your action if you really want to delete your server, because that action cannot be undone. And if you are sure, just tap here on Yes, and now that server was successfully deleted. I see it because it disappeared already from that left menu. Also, you can answer a question why you deleted your server, like I don't mean to make a server, whatever. And that's it. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.